Do you think that I'm being hyperbolic when I say that Canada is moving in an authoritarian direction? I fear for democracy in Canada.
No, this is pure authoritarianism, and you see it as well in some of the court rulings about COVID have been outrageous because they have abandoned the constitutional standard whereby the government is actually required to demonstrably justify with persuasive evidence any law, health order, any policy, any regulation. The governments have to, under the Constitution of Canada, demonstrably justify that it's okay to violate, whichever it might be, your freedom of religion or conscience or expression or association or peaceful assembly, your right to bodily autonomy, which includes a right to accept or reject any medical treatment of any kind. Mm-hmm. And so there is a growing and very dangerous authoritarianism that even in the courts are saying, well, if the government shows some scientific support, that's good enough. We're just going to rule in favor of the government. Government can trample on fundamental charter freedoms by showing some scientific support. And they have lowered the bar where it was before is that yes, the government could violate let's say your freedom of speech with a criminal code prohibition on hate speech. However, they have to demonstrably justify that that's going to do more good than harm, and they've chosen the smallest amount of violation possible. So it's narrowly tailored to violate your free speech as little as possible, et cetera, et cetera. And so we see that the CRTC now having new powers to regulate online platforms, and now this Online Harms Act, and bringing back Canadian Human Rights Commission prosecutions. It's all very authoritarian, and it's modern fascism. It's a resurgence of, superficially, it's different, but there's that core there of trampling on individual rights and freedoms in the name of some higher good.